Okay, well, it's getting to be barbecue season, and barbecue season means good times with the family, outdoor cooking, all these great things. But to barbecue, you've got to have a great rub. And there are thousands of rubs out, lots of recipes. I've tried several of them. I've bought many of them. They're expensive. And I tried to develop my own rub. I experimented for 15 years. And then a few nights ago, I heard voices at night speak to me. And I was given the perfect recipe for meat rub. I wanted to keep this a secret, but I can't do that because I promised that I would share it. So here we go today, the Mama Mabel's Boy meat rub inspired by voices at night. Yes, I'm hearing voices these days. This is simple. We're gonna start with 1 cup of kosher salt. Kosher salt is a great salt, much better than your regular table salt. It just cooks better and tastes better. To that, 1 cup of black pepper. And then the voices that spoke to me. 1/3 cup smoked paprika. 1/3 cup ground mustard powder. 1/3 cup of onion powder. And 1/3 cup of garlic powder. That's it. That's simple. All we do now, take my little whisker here, and we whisk it up. There it is. Now you've got yourself a wonderful meat rub from Mama Mabel's Boy. Now, the way I like to use this rub is I take a little mixture of honey and mustard and get it all mixed up together, and I put that on the meat, whether it's a brisket, ribs, butt roast, or whatever. And that will give it just a touch of sweetness. The mustard will help give it a little crust, and also it'll help hold this rub on, which you can see you put on liberally. You put it on and go smoke it, put it in the oven or whatever. I recommend smoking it. That's the best. Then, of course, the wonderful time when you just sample it. Man, this is some good stuff. And now, a surprise for you viewers. For the first 10 of you who share this on Facebook, send me your address and I'll send you a container full of this Rapturous Meat Rub. It's just the best there is. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Adios and yum yum. And remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. And this is a happy kitchen. For written recipes and other information, please be sure to visit mamamabelsboy.com.